3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Ray, but just call me Miscommunication. For today's lesson, we will be talking about laboratory rules and safety warnings. So hear me out, sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. The first topic in this lesson is about rules for laboratory rules. In this lesson, there are 6, 7, 8. There are 8 rules that we must remember. So, let's start with number 1. Shoes that completely covers the feet are required in the laboratory. Number 2. Eating and drinking are not allowed in the laboratory. Also, report to instructor any equipment malfunctions or breakage. Number 3. Never cut with a scalpel towards your body or hand or a classmate's hand who may be holding the specimen. Number 4. Ask instructor if you do not understand the proper use of the instruments. Number 5. Disinfect your laboratory table after every dissection and experiments. Number 6. The use of the laboratory is restricted to assigned exercises only. Number 7. Know the locations of the first aid kit and the eye wash station. Number 8. Report to instructor any cuts, pokes, splash, or chemical reaction. The next topic is about handling anatomical models. Number 1. Wash your hands before handling the anatomical model. Number 2. Locate the models in the storage cabinet. Please return the models to the appropriate cabinet when finished. Number 3. Certain models must be checked out from the student's monitor and require the presentation of identification. Number 4. No student should write on, mark, or relabel any of the anatomical model. And the last topic for this lesson is all about safety and warnings. For this lesson, there are 8 safety and warnings that we must follow. So let's start with number 1. Wear appropriate gloves and avoid any skin contact with these specimens or fluids. Any skin contact with preservative fluids should be washed off immediately. Report any skin reactions to the instructor. Number 2. Wearing a lab coat or covering of a long sleeve shirt is recommended to protect your arms and clothing that can be damaged by the fluids. Number 3. Wear protective goggles at all times when specimens or chemicals are out in the lab. Glasses are not sufficient. Goggles are required. Number 4. Never drink fluids in the lab as it may be lethal. Drain, rinse with water, and pat dry your specimen before use to minimize fumes. Number 6. Keep dissection tray clear of fluid accumulation. Number 7. All dissection must be done with all windows and doors fully open and all fans are running. And lastly, number 8. Students who are pregnant or have health concerns, chronic health conditions, or sensitivities, including but not limited to respiratory conditions, should consult with the instructor about alternate learning activities for dissection days.